In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your TikTok region settings. Begin by launching the TikTok app on your device, and then click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the three horizontal bars at the top right of your profile screen, and from the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy from the Settings menu, and then scroll down and click on Location Services. Ensure the setting is set to Never. Next, click on Open Settings within the TikTok app and go to Permissions in your device settings. Click on Location and set this to Don't Allow. Next, go back to the TikTok app and click on Delete certain location data, and then confirm by clicking on Delete. Go to the Settings page or app on your phone and click on Region and select your desired region from the list. And then power off your phone and turn it back on, and you will be on a new region on TikTok. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this